The Justice Department today is saying that it has filed a lawsuit against the new Texas law that bans the majority of abortions in the state and allows private individuals to sue anyone who helps terminate a pregnancy. Making the announcement, Attorney General Merrick Garland calling the ban clearly unconstitutional and a legislative scheme.
The United States has the authority and the responsibility to ensure that no state can deprive individuals of their constitutional rights through a legislative scheme specifically designed to prevent the vindication of those rights.
Meanwhile, Governor Greg Abbott of Texas is under fire for making misleading remarks about the legislation. He recently claimed, falsely, that victims of rape or incest will not be forced to give birth under the new law. However, in fact, it bans all abortions after approximately 6 weeks, a time when many women do not even know they're pregnant. Here to help us discuss the issue further is my next guest. Her name is Dr. Jamila K Taylor, and she's Director of Healthcare Reform and a Senior Fellow at the Century Foundation. Dr. Taylor, thank you so much for joining me on Black News Tonight. What's the basis of the Justice Department's lawsuit against the Texas abortion law?
So the basis of the lawsuit is that, it would declare a statutory and constitutional responsibilities of the federal government will be in conflict with this new abortion law. And so basically, what has happened is that over the last week, since we've seen the Supreme Court lack of a decision come down on this, that lawyers have gotten together to look at the case and think through what could be done in order to, disband this law, because it's going to have an extremely harmful impact, particularly on marginalized women and pregnant and birthing people in Texas.
Do you think this will be successful? Obviously, you undergo a lawsuit because you think you'll win, but sometimes it's an uphill climb. How optimistic are you?
I'm optimistic. I think the first step in this is going to be ensuring that there's some sort of injunction to, have some sort of moment to have the injunction go forward, where there'll be a reprieve for folks to at least be able to get the access to the abortion care they need. I think that's the key point here. It is clear that this law is unconstitutional and is in direct violation of a right to choose an abortion, which is health care, essential health care that millions of women need.
President Biden has promised a, quote, whole of government response. And Vice President Harris has invited abortion patients and providers from Texas to the White House. These are gestures, to be sure. What do you make of them?
I think we're no longer in the days where we have, a leader in the White House that has an agenda to actually strip away the health care of the American people. We now have a White House and administration that has been clear about their commitment to ensuring access to reproductive health care as well as other health care services for the American people. And I think these gestures are important and send a clear signal that this White House is going to fight this, as well as other restrictions that are only served to strip away the reproductive rights of those in this country.
Now, the governor of Texas, again, I want to make sure we hit this point home. The Texas governor has made misleading statements about how the new law will treat rape and incest victims, and basically seemed ignorant about basic facts of biology. Can you help us clear up those inaccuracies?
Sure, absolutely. As you said, opening this segment up, that, most people don't even know that they're pregnant after 6 weeks. And so I think the comments were not only illogical, they were extremely insensitive, particularly for those that may have undergone sexual assault or incest. The time that it takes to even find out that you're pregnant. We're talking 2 weeks after a missed menstrual period. And then the time it takes to actually, take a pregnancy test, get in to see a physician to have that pregnancy test confirmed. And so I think it also just goes to the point that, these are decisions between a woman and her doctor, and that it has no place for political interference, especially for men who do not have the capacity to get pregnant.
How is the battle over reproductive rights impacting Black and brown women particularly?
It is an extremely difficult issue for Black and brown women in this country. These are also women that are most likely to experience challenges when it comes to accessing healthcare through the healthcare system. They face almost insurmountable barriers in terms of accessing compassionate care, grappling with racism and discrimination in the healthcare system. And I think it's important to note that abortion is already extremely hard to access for millions of women in this country, Black and brown women in particular. And so as we look at restrictions like this, and we may see a cascading effect of additional restrictions passed, particularly in the South, where about half of African Americans live, I think this is something that we should definitely be on alarm for and make sure that we continue to center the experiences of Black and brown women in the context of these conversations and what the implications are for these restrictions in their health.
And it seems to me that there's also a kind of response that's needed within our community and, of course, from federal government and state governments to support Black and brown women in this fight, to frame this not just as a fight for all women and all childbearing people, which it absolutely is, but to also be able to speak to the specific needs, the specific challenges that it presents to Black and brown folk. What are some of those responses, you think? What can we do?
I think, well, first and foremost, there has definitely been a push, since the decision was made to ensure funding and support for nonprofit organizations known as abortion funds, which, work to help women seeking abortion get the funding that they need in order to access that health care. Unfortunately, we still have restrictions on insurance coverage of abortion, which means that women have to, spend money coming out of their own pockets to access abortion care. These restrictions largely impact women on publicly funded insurance, like the Medicaid program, as well as others. And so I think what we can do to support those abortion funds, making sure that they have the funding they need, they are certainly going to see an increase in requests for support at this time. I think that's important. And then in the context of all of that, we also cannot forget about the reproductive justice, Black women, brown women-led organizations who are largely working on the front lines to serve women that look like us, to make sure that we have access to the health care that we need. I think it's important to lift up those reproductive justice organizations because they are offering care that is culturally congruent, that is compassionate, and that centers the lived experiences of Black and brown women.
Dr. Jamila Taylor, thank you so much for joining us on Black News Tonight. Everybody, we want you to join the conversation as well. We want to hear from you, so head over to our BNC Instagram and Twitter pages. Let us know how you feel. Also, visit the website bnc.tv and subscribe to our YouTube page to check out clips from the show.